Hey guys, how are y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you all about Google Shopping. So guys, Google Shopping is a platform where you can buy or purchase anything. Like if you want to buy anything from electronics item, if you want to buy clothes, if you want to buy anything other, so you can just go on Google Shopping. Google Shopping is launched recently by Google India or Google Earth to engage its viewers or in a shopping field, and it's a best commercial website also. What we have to do, how can we use this website, it is all about in this video. So watch the video till the end and you will get notified about anything. What we have to do, we will just open our Google Shopping on my mobile phone like this. I will search in the search bar in Safari. You can also download that application from your Google Play Store or maybe on your App Store. After that, this is my Google Shopping on my Safari browser here. What we have to do, I will click on this website like this. First step is to go on the sign in option on right top corner of the screen. Click on that because before shopping you just have to sign into your account. I will enter my email address here, verify myself, and then enter my password. Currently guys, I don't remember my password, so I cannot do anything. So I will just back out with these steps and show you steps after logging in how can you use it. Like this is showing me another types of AirPods, decorative items, home items, kitchen and dining items. You just have to click on the any item like this, and you can also see the price range here. Like the price is typical, the price is high, the price is low. You can see all the details here, and also you can see the reviews because this have 10,473 reviews. Google Shopping is one of the leading consumer or one of the leading service provider here in India, also in other countries also. Here you can see this is my location called Delhi. You can change also this location, it will be searched by your GPS address automatically. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.